Profesa Magoha akoretwo ari mwarimu wa university gwa kahinda ka makiria ma miaka 30 na arari muikariri giti wa kamiti ya igeranio mbere ya kwamurwo ni president gutuika minister wa githomo.
After Stareboy Center, I went to Strathmore College, and from Strathmore College,
kuringana na watho ni ekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge iria iguthima uigiririku wake ta minister mbere ya gwitikaniria na itua ria president.
We know that over 370,000 candidates this year will be affected from sitting their exams by virtue of the fact that they do not have birth certificates.
Failure has never been in my vocabulary, so I don't see a situation where we are not going to be able to ensure that by the time the exam comes, every child in Kenya has a birth certificate.
Niangetheirwo ni kiuria kia ungumania uria urakoretwo ugumiire ruhonge rwa githomo.
My question relates to the problem of corruption. What is your take on that?
We found out through other sources that even the cooks and the gardeners used to dig next to the class and they are singing answers as the children are taking exams.
Nige ona murutire wake wa wira ni utungirio kiuria kirikana arutaga wira kiudutho.
And your critics say that you are too mechanical in your approach to management.
I start from the end. I start from the goal that I want to achieve and work backwards and make sure that it is achieved.
Oho Magoha ni ataririe ciegie mutaratara mweru wa githomo na kiguni kiaguo.
Honorable Speaker, sir, it has worked very well because, like I have said, those who are not convinced should measure the impacts of what this has done to our children.
Oho Magoha agiteaniria uhoro wa kwirikana hetwo wira arugamirire andu a ruriri rwake.
I have been nominated here because of what I can offer. If I was nominated here to represent the Jaluos, then I would ask you not to approve my appointment. But if you want me to serve political interest, with all due respect and humility, I am the wrong person for that appointment.
Kamiti no yarikia kumuthurima igatemania ritwa riake mbunge-ini niguo ahetukio kuyukia wabici ya minister kana aregwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.
I can say the Honorable John Bandi